Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload your song to United Masters. We are not trying to release anything, we just want our song to be on the platform. So this one is fairly simple. All you want to do is go into the sidebar over here and hit release music. Okay, and now we want to wait for my internet to load. And there we are. So now we drag and drop in our song. And now you're going to notice a little catch, something I didn't pay attention to when uploading my songs. And that is that United Masters does not support 32-bit uploads. Now they do tell me to upload a 16-bit track, but I'm going to ignore that and upload a 24-bit version. So here we are back again, and let me just see, what did I call it? Here we are. So now I'll drop in my 24-bit and let's see if that's going to work, which it should. And boom, Bob's your uncle. So now our song is technically uploaded onto United Masters. We can upload licenses if we've used third-party loops and so forth. Not really necessary. I don't need to use the master my track feature. You can if you want to, but FL Studio already has this built in, so I don't really need it. And also, if you've mastered yourself or you had an engineer do it, you won't need it. Adding your album art. This is such an annoyance for me. I wish that you could either just skip this or that United Masters had a built-in album art maker like a lot of other platforms. It's not that I don't enjoy the album art part, because I do, but I just want to upload my songs and have them on United Masters, which technically they already are. So if I click away and I click back into music, okay, it's not there now, but it will be. So technically we have completed what we set out to do, and we have uploaded our song onto United Masters. There are further steps, but those steps have to do with actually uploading our song to all digital stores. And this is not a complete song. I have no intention of uploading this to all digital platforms right now. There we can see it. Untitled song. So yeah, you could go back into it and click on the little three dots there and edit your release. And the next steps would obviously be to add the name, any artists or producers, anyone who has song credits onto the song. Again, things that have to do with the actual distribution of the song. And we'll probably cover that in another video. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you managed to get your song uploaded. Make sure it's a 24-bit or 16-bit. And after that, have an amazing day.